In this video, I'm going to be answering a very common question that comes into my office about DUIs, and that's, can I plead down my DUI to a lesser charge? If your DUI is in Kansas, the simple answer is no. There is a Kansas State Statute that does not allow a prosecutor to plea down or amend a DUI to a lesser charge. Now again, this law only holds true in Kansas. If you get a DUI in Missouri or some other state, that may be something that can be done. When you're talking with friends or family members after you've gotten a DUI, it might be very common for a person to say, well, I had a friend or a family member or someone I know got a DUI, and they got their DUI pled down to something like careless driving. In Kansas, that's just simply not the case. When someone gets a DUI, there's only a couple of ways to resolve it. Since you can't plead it down to a lesser charge, you can obviously always go in and just plead guilty. That's generally not the way to handle it. The second way is you could do a diversion if you're eligible and the prosecutor allows you to do that. The third way would be if you go to take the case and litigate the case, try to get something or an essential element of the case suppressed that makes the case very difficult to prosecute and possibly get it dismissed outright. Or the last way is to take the case to trial, in which you would go in and the city or the state would have to meet their obligations, their burden of proof to show to an impartial third party, like a judge or a jury, that you did in fact commit this DUI beyond any reasonable doubt. If you have any further questions about how to handle a DUI, the DUI arrest, or the DUI defense process, feel free to contact my office, 913-451-9500. Thank you.